Ayan, kumusta po? Kumusta? Sige,
Mabuti po.
magaling. Ayan, maraming salamat for being here. Sige, isi-share ko na ang aking screen po. Sige, ayan. Sige. Ayan, sige. Welcome po to Jeepney School Tagalog class. Ang lesson po natin sa araw na ito ay mga numero at mga relationships. Sige, sa Tagalog. Handa na? Okay. Ayan, pero bago yan, mag-review tayo ng lesson natin last week. Oh, noong Monday. Sige? So remember, we learned how to ask how much para sa cost of fruits or produce or anything. How much po o magkano po itong saging, mangga? Pero let's review muna ang mga names ng ating mga prutas. Sige, ito ay mangga, follow Ate Cherry, pakwan, peras, kalamansi, saging, mansanas. Very good. Dalandan, pinya, ubas, papaya. Very good. And other Philippine fruits here, we have lanzones at rambutan at mangustin. At ito naman ay bayabas or guava. Sige. Now, I will ask you the question, magkano po itong, and then you pick a fruit, and then you say, yung price, you can say 5 pesos o 10 pesos po itong mangga. 10 pesos po itong pinya. Sige, who wants to ask me the question, magkano po itong? Who wants to participate? Sige, Mia.
Magkano po itong mansanas?
Um, 10 pesos po itong mansanas. Sige, Sammy.
Magkano po itong saging?
5 piso po itong saging. Ari,
Magong po itong ubas.
magkano po itong ubas? 20 pesos po itong ubas. Sige, Christina.
Magkano po itong dalandan?
Um, 50 pesos po itong dalandan. Sige. Christina, did I call you already? Hindi pa? Not yet?
Yes.
Oh, you did. I did. Sige, salamat. Sige, magaling. Ngayon, who wants to answer the question, magkano po itong? I will ask you. Sige, raise your hand if you want to participate. And then you give me a guesstimate price. Then po itong, and then you repeat the fruit that I ask about. Sige. Sammy. Okay, ask me, Sammy.
Magkano po itong saging?
Saging. Oh, actually, sorry, I should be asking you.
Oh,
Pasensya. Sige, Sammy, magkano po itong pakwan?
5 pesos po itong pakwan.
Magkano po
At
itong papaya?
20 pesos po itong papaya.
Magaling. Sige, Ari. Sige, Ari, magkano po itong peras?
Peras. Oh, hello. Can you hear me? Oh, sorry.
Mhm.
Sorry. I was just making sure. Um, sorry. 10 pesos po libra po itong peras.
Magaling. Sige, salamat. Sige, ayan. Now, sige, mag-move na tayo sa ating next lesson. Let's work on these words. Sige, so I'm not sure if you have a coworker because some of you are still like in middle school. Sige, pero if ever na kayo ay started working, then you can refer to your coworkers as katrabaho. Katrabaho. Let's say it together. Katrabaho. Let's say katrabaho 3 times. Katrabaho, katrabaho, katrabaho. Very good. Next, para sa friend, we say kaibigan. Kaibigan. Let's say kaibigan 3 times. Kaibigan, kaibigan, kaibigan. Very good. Sige, now I will ask you the question, who is your friend? Sino ang katrabaho o sino ang kaibigan mo? I will ask you. Sino ang kaibigan mo? Okay, who wants to answer that question? You can answer me by saying kaibigan ko si and then the name of your friend. Sige, kaibigan ko si. Who wants to answer this question po? Raise your hand. Sige. Sige, Antoinette, sino ang kaibigan mo?
Kaibigan ko si Tiffany.
Magaling. Christina, sino ang kaibigan mo?
Kaibigan ko si Beth.
Magaling. Kaibigan ko si Beth. There's a question here. What's the difference between si or sina? We use si if you're only mentioning one name. We can use sina if you are mentioning more than one name. Sige, you can say, kaibigan ko sina Jennifer at Olivia. Sige? Yan. Magaling. Sino pa? Zika, sino ang kaibigan mo?
Kaibigan ko sina Anika at Brielle.
Magaling. Sige. Mia, or Sammy, sino ang kaibigan mo?
Kaibigan ko si Andrew.
Magaling. Mia, sino ang kaibigan mo?
Kaibigan ko si Camila.
Magaling. Sige. Salamat. Next po ay kakilala. Kakilala. Very good. Kakilala ay acquaintance. Sino ang like someone that you know na acquaintance mo? From school, from activities, may swimming lesson mo, sa basketball team mo, kakilala. Sige, let's say kakilala 3 times. Kakilala, kakilala, kakilala. Very good. Next ay kababayan. Sige. Make sure po na kayo ay nakamute. Okay? Okay, very good. Sige, kababayan ay fellow countrymen. Sige, if you met someone from school na from the Philippines too, or my Filipino heritage, then you can refer to them as kababayan. Kababayan. Let's say kababayan 3 times. Kababayan, kababayan, kababayan. Very good po. Magaling. Now, I will ask you, sino ang kakilala mo? So, the question, sino ang kakilala mo is it's a little too vague kasi parang it's too general. Who is your acquaintance? But we have to be specific kung where ang question coming from. Example, sino ang kakilala mo sa school? Sa school. Who do you know from school? Sino ang kakilala mo sa school? Sino ang kakilala mo sa basketball team? Sige, who do you know from the basketball team? Sino ang kakilala mo sa Hollywood? Do you know anyone from Hollywood na celebrity? Sino ang kakilala mo sa Florida? Sino ang kakilala mo sa San Francisco? Sino ang kakilala mo sa New York? Sige? Okay, I'm gonna ask a question. Who wants to answer ang question ko? Sige, I'm just gonna ask a question. Sino ang kakilala mo sa school, sa New York, sa California? And then you can come up with names. Sige. Anyone? Sige. Mia, Evan, Sammy, sino ang kakilala mo sa school?
Kakilala ko si Avery.
Magaling. Sige. Sino, Mia or Sammy, sino ang kakilala mo sa football team?
Kakilala ko si Josh.
Magaling. Josh, magaling. Sige. Ari, sino ang kakilala mo sa dance practice? It could be anyone. It could be a pretend name. Sige.
Kakilala ko si Ingrid.
Magaling, magaling. Salamat. Sige. Next word natin ay kapitbahay. Okay? Kapitbahay, neighbor. Sige, kapitbahay. Your neighbor. Let's say kapitbahay 3 times. Kapitbahay, kapitbahay, kapitbahay. Very good. Kapitbahay, neighbor. Next naman para sa kasintahan, it means someone you're in relationship with, or nobya or nobyo, girlfriend, boyfriend. I hope you don't have one yet, 'di ba? Sige, kasi kayo ay 13 years old. Sige. Next ay, okay, I'm gonna ask you who's your neighbor. Okay, who wants to participate? Sino ang kapitbahay mo? Kapitbahay ko si or sina? Antoinette.
Kapitbahay ko si Joyce.
Si Joyce. Magaling. Sige. Evan, sino ang kapitbahay mo?
Kapitbahay ko si Bradley.
Magaling. Sammy, sino ang kapitbahay mo?
Kapitbahay ko si Travis.
Sige. Are you Sammy or Mia?
I'm Sammy.
Okay, sige, Sammy. Magaling. Okay, sige. Sky, sino ang kapitbahay mo?
Ang kapitbahay ko si Michelle.
Magaling. Christina, sino ang kapitbahay mo?
Kapitbahay ko si Olivia.
Magaling, magaling. Sige. Ayan. Sige, next natin na gagawin ay mga numero, mga numbers sa Tagalog. Now, I want you to follow Ate Cherry. Sige, follow me so we can pronounce the words correctly. Sige, I will pronounce it very slowly. Follow me po, okay? Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima, anim, pito, walo, siyam, sampo. Very good. Yan ang numbers 1 to 10. Now, para sa 11 to 20, we say labing isa, labing dalawa, labing tatlo, labing apat, labing lima, labing anim, labing pito, labing walo, labing siyam, dalawampo. Okay? Sige? I hope you're following po. Sige? Now let's do tens. Dalawampo, tatlumpo, apat na po, limampo, anim na po, pitumpo, walumpo, siyam na po, 100. Sige, 100. Now, 100 ay 100. Now, you can change isa to dalawa. 200. 200. 300. And then, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. And for 1,000, we say libo. 1,000. 1,000. 1,000. Sige? Next po ay let's practice. Sige? Ako will ask you, ilan ang kaibigan mo? How many friends do you have? Ilan ang kaibigan mo? Or ilan ang kapitbahay mo? How many neighbors do you have? And answer me by saying, pick a number sa Tagalog. You can say 10 or isa ang kaibigan ko. 10 ang kaibigan ko. 2 ang kaibigan ko. Okay, I'm gonna ask you the question. If you want to participate po, raise your hand. Sige? Ready na? Okay. Ilan ang kaibigan mo? Ilan ang kaibigan mo, Gabriel?
Oh. Where is this? Oh, yeah. All right. Labing-dalawa ang kaibigan ko.
Magaling. Sige. Ilan ang kaibigan mo, Ari?
10 ang kaibigan ko.
Magaling. Sige. Ilan ang kaibigan mo, Sammy?
7 ang kaibigan ko.
Magaling. Evan, ilan ang kaibigan mo?
Say a number. 2 ang kaibigan ko.
Magaling. Pierce Mitchell, ilan ang kaibigan mo?
5 ang kaibigan ko.
Magaling. Antoinette, ilan ang kaibigan mo?
5 ang kaibigan ko.
Magaling. Very good. Now, actually, there's a word here that I'm going to use to replace katrabaho. It's kaklase. Okay? Kaklase. Classmate. Kaklase. Sige, I'm gonna ask you, ilan ang kaklase mo? How many classmates do you have in your class? Sige, ilan ang kaklase mo, Christina? Christina, ilan ang kaklase mo?
20 ang kaklase
Magal
ko.
Magaling. Ilan ang kaklase mo, Ari?
17 ang kaklase ko.
Magaling. Antoinette, ilan ang kaklase mo?
20 ang kaklase ko.
Magaling. Sige. Ilan ang kaklase mo, Sammy?
20 ang kaklase ko.
Magaling. Now, para sa kapitbahay, neighbor. Sige, I'm gonna ask you, ilan ang kapitbahay mo? How many neighbors do you have? Ilan ang kapitbahay mo? Pwedeng guesstimate. Sige. Ilan ang kapitbahay mo? Ari?
6 ang kapitbahay mo.
6 ang kapitbahay ko. Very good. Sige, Sammy, ilan ang kapitbahay mo?
10 ang kapitbahay ko.
Magaling. Salamat. Sige. Ito. Next naman ay ito. We will do a role play in a little bit. Okay? Sige, we'll do a role play. And ito ang script. So if you go visit the Philippines and you want to purchase something, you want to buy something, ito ang usual conversation that you will have with them. Okay? Let me explain sa inyo. This time, let's pretend na tayo ay nasa market or nasa fruit section. Sige, usually, letter B stands for the buyer or the customer. Okay? Usually, we would say, hi ate or hi kuya. So in the Philippines, we say ate or kuya for people na we don't know or we don't know their name, so we just say ate, like a big sister, ate. Sige. Hi ate or hi kuya, pabili po. Can I buy? Pabili po. And usually they will say, sige, okay, anong gusto mo? What do you want? And the buyer or the customer will say, magkano po itong, how much for the, how much is this fruit, this banana? How much, magkano po itong saging? Because usually we want to ask the price first, right? Magkano po itong saging? And then the vendor will say, oh, 10 pesos, 10 piso. So remember the numbers that we just learned, 10 piso. And then we say, sige po, or the buyer would say, sige po, pabili po ng, pabili po ng mangga. Okay, magkano po itong mangga? Sige po, pabili po ng mangga. And the vendor will ask, ilan ang gusto mo? How many do you want? Ilan ang gusto mo? And you can say, walo po, 8. Walo po. Okay? And the vendor will say, sige, and then you'll hand them your payment and say, bayad ko po. Bayad payment. Bayad ko po. My payment. And then if there's a change, they will say, sukli mo po. Sukli mo po. Your change, and you would say, salamat po, thank you, and they would say, salamat din, thank you to you, too. Balik ka next time. Balik ka next time means come back next time, okay? Sige. Now, I want you to do a role play. Let's do a role play. Now, I want to try something, but I'm not sure if you can all participate, okay? Should we give it a try? I want to put you to a breakout room. Sige, with someone, maybe 4 of you there, and then do a role play. Sige, do you think that's something that you can do? Can I trust you to do that? Opo? Now, take a picture of the screen because this is the script. Take a picture. Sige, take a picture so that you can follow. Sige? And mag-roleplay kayo ng speaking partner mo in that breakout room. Okay, if you cannot participate, you do not need to go to the breakout room. I'm going to put 4 people sa breakout room, each breakout room so that there's many of you. Okay? Sige? If you do not want to participate, that is okay. Sige? Okay, now the breakout room is open. You can join there. Meet a new friend. Please be respectful. Please be nice. And practice these lines with them. Sige? Oh, not yet open. Sorry. Sige. Okay. Now, for anyone is left here in the main room, we will do a role play. Okay? I'm going to call your name and I want you to participate. Okay? Sige, it's either you do it with me or you do it with another friend. Sige, I'm going to call a friend. Sige, Kale, can you do a role play with me? Sige, you will be the buyer. I'll be the vendor. Sige?
Hi, ate, kuya, pabili po.
Sige, anong gusto mo?
Magkano po itong 5
Fruit.
piso?
What fruit?
Oh shit, I didn't write the fruit.
Okay lang. Okay lang. Sige, let's try it again. Sige, anong gusto mo?
Wait, can we go to the breakout room?
Oh, do you want to? Yeah, that's fine too. There should be an option for you to do that. There should be something on your screen saying like, oh, you can go to the breakout room now. Sige.
Oh, wait, where?
I'm not sure.
Just like left. I just left. Oh, there you go.
Sige. Okay, now I'll do a role play with some of you here sa main room. Okay? Sige, Aiden. Sige, Aiden.
Hi, ate.
Mhm.
Pabili po.
Sige, anong gusto mo?
Magkano po itong pinggan?
10 piso po.
Sige po. Palibi po ng pinggan.
Ilan ang gusto mo?
2 po.
Sige.
Bayad ko po.
Sukli mo po.
Salamat po.
Salamat din. Balik ka. Sige.
Excuse me po, you're muted.
Sorry, Antoinette. Sige. Sige, Antoinette. You are the buyer.
Hi, ate. Pabili po.
Sige, anong gusto mo?
Magkano po itong mangga?
10 pesos po. 10 piso.
Sige po, pabili po ng mangga.
Ilan ang gusto mo?
3 po.
Sige.
Bayad ko po.
Okay, sukli mo po.
Salamat po.
Salamat din. Balik ka. Next time. Sige. Kumusta ang breakout room? How was it? Mabuti? Mabuti?
That was fun.
Masaya? Sige. Sige. As long as we can all be respectful and be nice and be kind, then we will keep doing ang breakout room. You do not need to participate. That's optional. Sige. Ayan. Gusto ko lang kayong i-encourage to practice po. Ito. Practice it with someone, your parent, your friend, your cousins. And then, we'll see you again sa Monday. Salamat!
Salamat, ate. Good
Salamat.
Have a great rest of your week.
Ingat!